Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Spotify Wrapped 2022 on Instagram story. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and download the Spotify application. If you don't have it on your phone, of course, you'll be able to do that through any browser you are using. Sorry, not browser, any store you are using. It could be Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possible using. So once you actually do that, of course, just go and open your Spotify account. And if you are logged in into your account, that will be great. But if you are not, you will need to go and log in into your account. And of course, if you don't have an account, just go and create one. It's simple to do that. So of course, once you do that, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main page. And as you can see from here, I have your 2022 in review, or Spotify Wrapped. So of course, if you didn't find it for yourself, I have already made 3 videos on how to fix that, so make sure to go and check it out. But of course, you can just restart your phone, or go and check for updates, or go and clear the cache of the application. So of course, when you go and click at play on Spotify 2022 Wrap, there are some of this actually stories that are unavailable to share, but some of the other ones is actually you will be able to share them. So you will ask me why some of them you cannot share. So of course, I don't know why. Maybe they just made it like that. So of course, you will just need to search for whatever stories are shareable, because as I said, some stories are shareable. So as you can see now, you will need just to play like this story is shareable. So we just wait until we had the option of share this story. So as you can see here, we have the option of share the story. So just go and click on it, then choose the Instagram stories. So once you click on that, as you can see, you will need to wait a bit until they open your Instagram, and from there, as you can see, it will be shared to your Instagram story. Click at your story, or if you want to share it into your close friend, you will be able to do that. And as you can see, you'll find it in your story and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.